One day, the Tony was going with his friends and his friend was Nero. Nero is Tony's best friend. But one day, Nero was walking and one car come and crashed to Nano. Now is Nano broken. You can see that. Then Wonso help he. Wonso help her. Also they are best friends. Thank you. इसकी ड्राइंग से बनाई अंकल अब हमारी ड्राइंग है ड्राइंग
Look, the Superman is going on a pickup truck. The pickup truck is carrying Superman. Again, Superman is sitting on the pickup truck and he's going to meet
Spider-Man.
Train, the Tony the train. Where is Tony the train? Oh, Tony the train. Oh, again he fell down. Now the Tony the train is coming. Now the Superman is sitting on Tony the train.
Yes, the garbage truck. This truck is very helpful. She collects the garbage and throw it. Now she is going to collect more wood, more. कचरे को क्या बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में? हाँ? कचरे को क्या बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में? हाँ? कचरे को क्या बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में? कचरा ही मुझे नहीं पता.
Garbage.
Garbage. Yeah. She collects